In today's edition on Crypto Saves, we are going to show you guys how to create a phantom wallet on your mobile devices. I'm using an Android device, but if you are using an iPhone, you can also follow the step outlined in this video below. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your notification bell. So the first thing to do is to go over to the Play Store if you are using an Android to get the app, the Phantom Wallet app. So once you get to the Play Store, please hit the install button. The next thing to do is to open up the app, and you see two options: create a new wallet, or I already have a wallet. So make sure to click on create a new wallet if you are just creating a new one. So the next thing is to protect your wallet with your fingerprint, your biometric. You can enable this or you can simply leave it, but it is good you enable it. And after doing so, the next thing you should do is to click on the next button. It will automatically take you to the secret recovery phrase. These are keywords that you'll be using to recover your account if you maybe accidentally lost your phone, or you bought a new phone and you want to get your account back on the phone. So just copy these phrases and save it somewhere. Click OK, I have saved it, and confirm that you have saved it too. So just hold on, and here you go, you are all done. You can now fully enjoy your wallet. Click on I agree on the terms of services and click on get started. Enable push notification, and here you go. This is the Phantom Wallet app. Now this is the first thing you see. To deposit a Solana, click on deposit to deposit Solana on your Phantom Wallet, and here click on Solana to copy the wallet address. So this is the wallet address to copy. Make sure you copy the wallet address. If you want to send Solana out of Solana wallet, click on send and click on Solana, and also paste the wallet address of the other blockchain of Solana token too, and here you go, you've copied it. And so that is it. All your tokens will be listed on this page. Now to know what other part of the Phantom Wallet is, simply click on the next one, and here you have your collectibles, your NFT tokens. You'll be getting everything here on this place. And the next part talks about how to swap tokens. You can swap Solana for USDC or other tokens too. The next one also, which is the lightning bolt, shows you your recent activities. If you perform any activities, you'll be seeing it there. And here you have your dApps where you search for websites. And that is it, guys, on how to create a Phantom wallet as a beginner on your mobile devices. If you are using an Android phone or an iPhone, it is the same thing. Thank you, guys. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell.